If you've ever wanted to add some really cute animations to clips of your little ones, well, with the new pack from Filmstock, you can. And it looks just like this. Welcome back to the Filmstock YouTube channel. We are Christina and Chris, and we are here to help you make better videos and empower your inner video creator.
Just before we get into it, make sure that you hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any future videos and tips.
So this pack is called the Comic Freeze Frame Pack, and it allows you to add some super cute animated comic style stickers to your videos.
So there are many different ways that you can use the effects in this pack, but let's jump into Filmora 11 and Christina's going to show you some of the elements.
So firstly, you will of course need to download the Comic Freeze Frame Pack from Filmstock. So you can do that easily from the Filmstock website, or you can use the link in the description. Once we have the pack downloaded, we can open our Filmora 11 video editor, which if you don't already have, make sure you download that first. So let's have a look at all the really cute features of this pack. Remember that you will find everything in the Filmstock section here on the left. So first of all, we have some really cool titles. They look like speech bubbles. They're very bright, very colourful, and of course the animation is already done for you. All you have to do is change the text to whatever you want. So just drag it above your clip on the timeline and change the text by double clicking. These are super cute and really useful to pop a little message on screen. The transitions in this pack are also very bright and colourful. They are also super easy to use. All you have to do is drag it between your two clips on your timeline. And that's it, a ready-made transition. There are no effects within this pack, so let's go straight to the element section. And in the element section we have these really cute animated stickers that will match really well with clips of your little ones. So here's just a few examples of how I have used these stickers. For this clip, I thought the question marks and the light bulb worked really well together. And I also added some sound effects to really make it pop. It's really just as easy as drop and drag. You're dragging those elements onto your timeline and placing them in the position that you want. This one is probably one of my favorites. I really love this little crown, and it was super easy to add on there. The only thing I did here that was different was use motion tracking, so it stayed on the child's head. So all I did was track the motion of the child's head first, then click the element from the drop down box. So have a go at adding these to your own footage. I'm sure you and your kids will love them.
So feel free to have a go at using that pack in your own videos. The link for the pack as well as Filmora 11 will be in the description below.
If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and keep creating. We will see you in the next one.